Good morning, YouTube. I just want to show you a quick video on the service call that I come this morning. I get a call for no cooling, and when I get here I see that outside unit is not running at all. So I don't even check the inside. I say let me check the outside first, and I found out that the capacitor is gone. You see how it swell up, and in order to confirm it that the capacitor is gone, you see the capacitor like this in your unit, and your unit is not running. Even if it's running, you want to take a look at it and replace it. So I find out that the capacitor is gone. Then in order to confirm, you have to check it with a multimeter. So this is a 35/5 microfarad capacitor, 35 for compressor, 5 for fan, condenser fan. So you put your multimeter into the microfarad symbol you can see over there, and on the capacitor you get one leg of the common to the fan. So you can see that there is read 0. So then common to amatic, which is compressor, it's read 0. Both of them 0 0. This cap is completely gone. So what you need to do in that case is get a new one, get a new capacitor. I just get a new one here from the truck. You can see the difference. So 35/5 So you get your meter as well to confirm from common to amatic. You can have a common to fan. You can see over there, that's 5. From common to amatic, right there, 35. So you put this. We are going to put a new one here now, and that will fix the problem. And I will go and double check if there is anything wrong with the units beside that. But this is the one that's stopping the outdoor unit to come on now. So, and as usual, before you do anything pertaining electricity on your units or any equipment in the house, make sure your power is off. I turn the power off there from the breaker, as you can see, before I start working on the equipment. And if you are not safe to work with the unit, call professional. And definitely this service call is for professional. So you want to take a look at it by yourself, the homeowner, you can do it, but it's better to let a trained person do it. You have a question or service call, DMV, you can give us a call, 703-488-8940, JTech Heating and Cooling, 703-488-8940. Thank you.